channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So Pushpa movie, they have released a song, and this song, The Rise, Dako Dako Meka.
Yes, so we have the superstar Allu Arjun, AA. Okay,
And
and Rashmika in this movie.
Great
and
combination.
great combination. We have already seen some look post of Pushpa movie. Like firstly the first look of Pushpa we have seen, then some teaser we saw, and now this is the time for Dako Dako Meka. This is the song actually, Telugu version. So this is the most awaited, I think, right? In this like time, because Allu Arjun sir का movie जब से वो फर्स्ट लुक निकला था, उस टाइम से ही हम सोच रहे थे कि कब निकलेगा कोई
More than
वीडियो.
1 year ago, or
More than
1.5 year ago,
yes.
that look was out.
Was out, yes. So let's get started. We are superly excited as usual because this is AA, our favorite, my favorite, everyone's favorite.
Stylish
So
star.
let's get started, man, without wasting any time. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel, guys, and also click on the notification bell.
Yes, also please follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, so let's get started.
Yes. Hey,
Hey.
icon star,
I got started.
master of silver step, right? Rock star. Woo. Woo.
Wow.
Super.
Oh,
Sandalwood.
this is पूरा
Hmm.
जंगल वाला. मुझे लग रहा है एकदम.
Jungle Book.
क्या लुक है.
వెలుతురు తింటది ఆకు వెలుతురు తింటది ఆకు ఆకును తింటది మేక ఆకును తింటది
पर ट्राइबल फीलिंग आ रहा है ना थोड़ा.
మేకను తింటది పులే ఇది కదరా ఆకలే ఇది కదరా ఆకలే పులినే తింటది చావు చావుని తింటది కాలం కాలాన్ని తింటది గాళే ఇది మహా ఆకలే
Mahakali.
महाकाले.
Wow.
వేటాడేది ఒకటే పరిగెత్తేది ఇంకొకటే దొరికిందా ఇది సస్తాది దొరక్కపోతే అది సస్తాదే ఒక జీవికి ఆకలేసిందా ఇంకో జీవికి ఆయువు కూడిందే
Dako.
Oh my god.
ఉదొచ్చి కన్ను తిప్పేస్తా పోయి
Ooh.
Wow,
Intense,
क्या
right?
look है.
Exactly. It's intense.
Super, super.
That is super. My goodness. Woo. Beat. Ooh. It's giving me feeling of peace and all.
Yes.
Ooh.
Wow.
Action mode as well, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
చేపకు పురుగు
Right.
ఎరా బిడ్డకు నూకలు ఎరా కుక్కకు మాంసం ముక్క ఎరా
He's looking like a seriously beast kind of.
Beast look, right?
Ah, the look is like very much.
పోతరా కత్తికి వెత్తుటి
वो
పోతరా
पूरा देखो ना घर का एकदम लेके पूरा.
Kali right, right?
Oh, पीछे में जो है.
పాటుగా ఉన్నారా ఎరకే
శివం.
చిక్కేస్తావు ఎరనే మింగే ఆకలుంటేనే ఇక్కడ బతికుంటావు కాలే కడుపు సూడలో న్యాయం బలమున్నోడిదేరా ఇక్కడ ఇష్టో రాజ్యం
Oh my god.
Right. Powerful streaming.
minute like super. It is unbelievable, and what I like the most about this music, this is very uncommon. The music beat, this is very not common. This is very uncommon, and the choreography or you can say the composition mainly. This is brilliantly executed. The way like the beats are going, the beats are आ रहा था beats, इतना अच्छा लग रहा था. Like it was like, oh my god, I have not heard this kind of music in my life. This is the first time.
And also we have noticed like this is I think Allu Arjun sir generally he used to do a lot of the stylish dance moves and all, and with a lot of stylish or brilliant kind of background and all, and this is a unique kind.
यहाँ भी वो style था,
style was था, but a different kind.
हटके type का था.
What he used to do generally it was not the same.
It was not the same.
Right?
It was completely different, but
intense look was its coming. Most of the time we used to see his romantic look, right? And here it was intense look.
And
for
the
this
way he
particular
was doing,
song.
baap re, matlab this is fun only to watch because this song itself is very energetic and it is having some tribal touch in it. Like jo jungle wala feeling aa raha tha literally.
Like they were celebrating something inside the jungle, and during on the eve of that this song will be there.
पता नहीं celebrate कर रहे थे या फिर भूत भगा रहे थे, क्योंकि पीछे सब लेडी लोग एकदम माँ काली बाल खोल के पूरा ऐसे कर रहे थे. कुछ तो होगा. Yes, we
and माँ काली picture was there. Then it shows that it's going to destroy something.
I was getting goosebumps to be very sure, and really if you cannot see the video also, just listening to the music also you will feel that jungle ka hi theme hai, because the theme selection of the song is like so real, tribal pura lag raha tha, and the whole circumstances, the editing is must. Okay, jungle का जो सिनेरियो था, ऊपर से मुझे ऑरेंज कलर का थीम था, लग रहा था कि पूरा जंगल में आग जल रहा है, ऐसा टाइप का फीलिंग आ रहा था.
Because this composition we have seen, it was mix of everything. It was mix of a lyrical song as well as some kind of animation kind of things was there, and also real video was also there. So it was this composition was a mix of everything. So of course it gave us a goosebump, and the well sync between each sing and the music, whatever it was coming. Whatever the beat was there, that was brilliant.
Brilliant. And why I told that this music is itself is very uncommon or unique. Why? Because this kind of song, कि ये जंगल का theme के ऊपर या फिर tribal kind of song, it's very difficult to make. First of all, composition बहुत difficult होता है, and उसको पूरा execute करना, that is another difficult task. And उसके बाद दर्शकों को कैसा लगेगा, that is a challenge actually for the whole team, the director, the producer. But definitely इतना अच्छा तरीके से मैं कभी देखी नहीं हूँ. I have seen some couple of tribal kind of song, to be very frank, but those are not that up to the mark. This one is like superb. You will feel the beat in you, and you will just dance also. At the same time, you just getting curious, right? That what is happening?
Giving a sense of feeling like brilliantness, or it giving you power from inside.
Power
it
from
was
inside.
feeling like that.
Really, and उनका जो आँखों का intense look था, the way Allu Arjun sir was like giving the look. My God, you will just, I think 99% of audience will get goosebumps by watching this song for sure. Okay, so yeah, this Pushpa movie is all about the oud business, right? मतलब चोरा मारवाड़ी, sandalwood. Basically उसके ऊपर ही है, maybe उसका mafia and kind of stuff. So that is why I think the story point is also very unique.
Yes,
as well as the song also.
I think it's a full based upon the jungle scene.
Jungle scenes, हाँ. बहुत कुछ हम देखने को मिलेगा. Allu Arjun sir का ये different kind of acting है. This is a very challenging thing. He is a very versatile actor. We all know, and moreover he is known for his stylish appearance. But this movie is actually for him different. मतलब पूरा acting skill उनका बाहर आएगा.
A challenging kind of acting skill you need to see.
Yes. We are superly excited for that and looking forward to watch this movie actually. And इसका शायद teaser निकला था, trailer तो नहीं निकला ना अभी तक. हाँ. Trailer निकलेगा तब और एक धमाका होगा guys.
Yes, exactly. It will be a dhamaka. And are you guys sure that when this movie is going to release? I'm not sure pretty much.
Sure
maybe, but yes, of course, this
also.
year it will release. I hope.
I hope.
Right?
We hope actually. कोई भी ऐसा करते हैं ना, bonfire वगैरह करते हैं कोई resort में जाके या फिर अपने छत में, घर के छत में, ये song पूरा उसके लिए मस्त है.
मतलब Visarjan kind of idol Visarjan and those kind of things it will also work.
पता नहीं तेलुगु में वो होता है कि नहीं, but हमारे यहाँ पे तो ऐसा song में नहीं होता. बड़ा नागिन डांस होता है.
Allu Arjun is famous in North also, so this all song will be famous for him.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं इसीलिए बोल रही हूँ bonfire में पूरा अर्दी, you can smell the ground also. I can definitely, I was getting goosebumps because like I can totally feel the jungle wala appearance or the environment around me actually.
And
really
this,
amazing, man.
In this we haven't seen Rashmika, right?
We have not seen Rashmika. Yes, we have not seen
maybe
her.
For her I think some special song will be there, right? Special entry, right?
Yes. So ये actually song बहुत languages में release हुई है guys. तो मलयालम में है, तेलुगु में है, I think तमिल में है, हिंदी में है. Yes. तो हम तेलुगु में किए हैं. अगर आपको
original version.
हाँ original version हम हिंदी में भी कर सकते थे, तो मुझे हमें लगा कि तेलुगु में करते हैं क्योंकि मतलब थोड़ा सा ये आएगा, ओरिजिनलिटी आएगा, you know. लेकिन हिंदी में भी कर सकते थे. अगर आपको देखना है definitely you can let us know. Okay, so yeah, that is it for today's video. And एक अच्छी बात है अभय कि ये मूवी इसका मतलब हिंदी में भी रिलीज होगी.
Yes, of course. For me it's good, right?
एकदम हम तो दो लैंग्वेज में है, तेलुगु में भी देखेंगे, हिंदी में भी देखेंगे guys. Definitely we can't miss Allu Arjun sir का original voice, right? So yeah, that is it for today's video.